What's the meaning of bondage? Bondage. Bondage.
Bondage. Bondage. Bondage refers to a situation of being physically or emotionally restrained or controlled by something or someone. It can also refer to the practice of consensual BDSM activities involving domination and submission. Bondage can have both negative and positive connotations, depending on the context and individuals involved. In negative contexts, it can signify oppression, captivity, and restriction of freedom, while in positive contexts, it may relate to the exploration of trust, boundaries, and intimacy within consensual relationships. Overall, bondage represents a complex phenomenon that can have multiple interpretations and meanings.